Read the text again. Write T for true or F for false. Review your answer. There are 4 levels in the food pyramid. True. The bottom level of the pyramid has food from protein and dairy. False. Foods made of grain give us energy. True. Eggs help our eyes. False. Milk helps to make us strong. True. Our bodies need a lot of fat and oil. False. Fill in the gaps. Correct the false sentences. Write them in your exercise book. Review your answer. The bottom level of the pyramid has food made from grains. Eggs help our teeth and bones. Our bodies does not need a lot of fat and oil. Group work. Find the mistakes in the food pyramid below. Fat, oil, fish, meat, dairy, beans, lentils, fruits, vegetables, grains. Do activity I from your textbook. Look at the shape of the food pyramid. How does it tell us how much of each food group we should eat? Read your book and say what food we should eat. Very little, moderately, regularly, plenty.